Hi sunshine, hi, how have you been? I hope you've had an amazing week. We're concentrating on growing, glowing, and getting everything we want for ourselves in 2021. If you're new, my name is Mwende Kituma. I shoot awesome videos, and today I want us to do something different. So I recently bought a product that I was like, you know what guys, people do reviews and give commentaries, and I was like, yeah, even me, let's do an unboxing and review of something that I bought. So as usual, let's go straight to the video. The item I bought is prescription eye care from Batian. So let me take you through the process that I followed. Went to the website, opened the shop tab, and I was able to see the frames that they have. Something I noted, all their frames are priced the same. I have never seen that before, so that was very interesting for me. Then now let's go to the particular frame that I got. Remember, it came in 3 colors. There was pink, there was maroon, and there was the black. So I chose this one. Then there are photos of the frame for me to see how it looks like on the front, the side, when someone is wearing, just to get a better understanding. So I chose the pink. Then I only wanted one. Then I wanted the prescription. Then make sure you have your prescription sent to you beforehand from your ophthalmologist, because you're required to send that to Batian. So I said don't send it to them via WhatsApp or email. Then added to cart. The calculation is done. This is specific to me because of my high prescription. Move now to the checkout point. Went to the checkout, requested to put in my shipping information. So if you live in Nairobi, you'll be requested to choose. You can choose the 4 frames that you like. The frames are sent to you for free. Then you choose the one that you like. They put the prescription and send it back to you. If you live outside Nairobi, you choose the frame that you like online. The prescription is done and sent to you. So that's a different, but for both cases, the delivery is free. When you put that, now you move to the shipping, confirm the information is correct. The shipping is standard, it's free. Move to the payment. Now when it comes to payment, there's an option of putting a discount code. If you have a discount, then you can pay via Visa, MasterCard, M-Pesa, very many ways. Then now confirm everything is okay, complete your order. You'll be redirected now to make your payment. Then now you wait for the glasses to arrive. The package arrived 24 hours later with the fragile sign, contact details. Just not sure the internet where we live. Then a case with the Batian logo, very sleek with the, it's black, just branded on one side. Let's open the case. One microfiber cloth. Let's place it there. A black case with the spectacles inside. Let's place it there. The ending with nothing else, and another microfiber cloth and a card. So that's what was inside the package. This, you just leave it there. This has a card for polycare lenses. Yes, blue block, I'm assuming. So this is for future use. Then the microfiber cloth for cleaning your glasses. It even tells you using other textiles like cloth, ties, handkerchiefs, and others will cause scratches on your lenses. So make sure you use the microfiber cloth that is actually given to you by your optician or your eye care provider. So let's place that there. There are 2 of them, gray and pink. It's okay. And this is the case that has a spectacle. Let's open it up. These are the spectacles that I bought. I have cool color. So let's place that there. It has purple with hints of blue, silver. It has a mixture of plastic, so you can see the metallic frame, but you can see the plastic casing all around. The deco goes to the hands. Then you have the nose pads for support when you're wearing them. And yeah, that's the shape, that's the color. And sure, they had blue block, because everyone is using computers. You need to protect your eyes. And photochromatic, because light affects me when I go outside. Those are the frames. Let's place it there. The frames, the case, microfiber cloth, that the Batian logo, and the end. So that's what's inside. Let's move to how I look in them. I know everyone is waiting to see that. Here I am now with the glasses. Let's wear them. Yeah. I feel like I'm giving off, rich auntie vibes. That's been my vibe for the whole year. So the decorations on the side, the feet, the nose pad, and this other side. So let's go through the things that I like. Number one, the delivery is very fast. I ordered them on, I think it was on a Monday, and I had received them on Tuesday in the morning. Like in less than 24 hours, I had my prescribed eyewear delivered, and I live in the middle of nowhere, so that's something I like. Number two, delivery is free. We're all about saving the coins. If you can save money, save anytime. So the free delivery, that really made me so happy. And when I received, I don't know how they did it, they fit me. Okay, I have a very round face, so most of the times the glasses they're small, so they leave the marks over here, and it's painful. But this one's fit very well. So the only issue I had was with the nose pads. They were a bit high. So spoke to the guys at Batian. They were very sweet, very simple. They told me they have a store they collaborate with in town. Went there for the adjustments, done in 2 minutes, and now they fit perfectly. The nose. Why do I keep saying nose pad? So I like the delivery thing. I like the adjustments, and the adjustments are free. I like the customer care. They're very easy to talk to, very fast. They respond very fast to your queries and your concerns and everything. Yeah, and that's it. So online, Batian, and made in Kenya. Imagine, support local businesses. Here I am saying, in year 2021, let's support local businesses. So that's my review of these glasses that I got from Batian eyewear. If you'd like to try, just try them out. Tell them I sent you. It's called proclaiming my life into proclamation. Tell them you saw my video, and I was like, Moesh was like telling you to go to them. But anyway, so that's my simple review and unboxing of the glasses that I got from Batian. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and feel free to share. And tell me down below in the comments, would you be willing to try prescribed eye care from Batian? Like, have you ever tried them before? What is your experience so far? Would you be interested in trying? Let me know down below. I'd be very interested to know all that. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Wow.